Hello, this is Nick, also known as Mr. Blend 5000. So today I got a question on one of my videos, and that's how to make a skybox for space. And I thought, ooh, I can totally do that. Alright, here we go. This microphone's slipping everywhere. So, essentially, we're just going to be starting off by making a skybox. This is going to be like a skybox tutorial, and then how to turn the skybox into a SpaceBox. So it's like how to make a skybox version 2.0. Oh yeah! Here we go. So we have ourselves a cube. This is not the default cube. This Blender window has been up for some time, and I've been working on how to do the SpaceBox, make sure I don't screw up too badly. And so this is a good cube. We can use this cube. We can use it. We got this. Alright, here we go. So we're going to go on over to our front view and tab on over to edit mode. And then with our mouse somewhere along the edge of the cube right here, we're just going to hit Control R and then double click. And you see a pink line that'll appear. And then you just click again and you'll have this. So this is just like a really easy knife cut. Like I'll hit Control R again. You see you have a pink box, that like a pink line that goes around. If you scroll up in your mouse wheel, you can make more than one cut. And then if you click once, you can choose where you want your cut to go. If you click again, it'll make the cut. So I'm just going to Control Z that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to delete the bottom half of this bad boy. Here we go. Boom. That's right. So once we have that done, we're going to want to flip the normals so that we can see the texture on the inside instead of the outside. Because we're going to be inside the skybox. Like that. So we're going to hide the whole thing and just go down here in our F9 and hit flip normal. And I'll put the normals on the inside, so if we go for our texture view, everything's on the inside. Whoop-de-doo. Awesome. And now, we're going to go over to edge select mode. And it just allows us to select individual edges. And we're going to hit Control E and mark them as seams. This just makes it so our UV texture will work. Awesome. And now, let's do some texturing. UV texture. We're going to add a new UV texture. And we're just going to split the screens here. We're going to open UV image editor. And we're going to tab to edit mode. Highlight everything. And then highlight everything in here too. I don't know if that's necessary, but you know. And we're going to find an image. Now, what you're going to want is an image of, well, that essentially. If we go down here, oh, there's my YouTube page. You just need to use a basic paint program, and then if you use like a skybox, just like look up skybox, you'll find something that looks kind of like this. And then you're gonna want like a space texture, just a clean space texture, and just copy and paste bits and pieces of this into this until you get something that looks like this. And once you have that done, we're going to hit our U key and unwrap. And this is going to give us something that looks like this. Look at that. Wonderful, sexy old space box. Well, skybox for space. And we are going to go back into our camera view. And we're just going to size this bad boy out. Awesome. Now, when you're in space and you look around, you can see stars above you and below you. So we're going to take the sky box, we're going to Shift D, we're going to R, we're going to rotate it on our X-axis 180 degrees. And once we have that, we can go back to our camera view, we can hit P key, and bam. Oh, there's a little blue spot in this one, so I can tab to edit mode, and yeah, there's the blue spot right there. That was just from errors in copying and pasting. So if we just go around, you can fix up the edges, make sure everything looks nice and fancy. And you can make yourself a really nice skybox really easily. I didn't spend a whole too much time finding a good texture for this, so obviously it's not going to be amazing. But I think it turned out pretty well. This is just the, whoa, oh, I just went into solid. I recommend, just like a word of advice, when you find your space texture, find one without the dust clouds, because that's really what is messing this up. And other than that, I think that's all there is to it. And then you can, oh my gosh, we're getting a storm out here. It's more snow. More freaking snow. It's unnecessary. It's like a blizzard outside. Holy crap. It's April 1st. There should not be snow outside. Holy crap. This is not good. Ugh. Anywho, yes, that's it for my SpaceBox tutorial. I hope this answers your question on how to make a space environment, and I hope you're all having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you are in the world, and I shall video to you all later.